Well, welcome back everyone to another edition of Car Fun Presents, and today I got a real quick video for you. We're going to show you how to replace this case as well as the battery on a Ferrari 456 or 355. I believe they all have similar cases. There may be other models that are similar to this, so if your case looks like this will work for you. So very simple. What you're going to want to do, grab yourself a small Phillips, nothing too crazy. You're going to flip your case over, bam, just like that. And you'll notice there is one screw in here. So you can unscrew it. Whoop. Okay, it doesn't want to come out, but that's okay. Let's take this off the key ring. Like so. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab a very thin flathead screwdriver, and normally I try to go in right around here, around the edge here, and just pry it ever so slightly. Bam, like such, and you'll see it separates, and there you have it. So again, pretty simple. This battery is a bit of an odd one. Let's see what the battery type is on this guy. MN21/23 Duracell. So if you find a mini battery like this, you can probably go to your local drugstore. They normally have weird batteries like these. And again, pretty simple. So again, to replace the case, what you're going to do, you take your little thin flathead right here, and you're going to very gently pry up, bam, and then you take that. So you can take your new case. If you order cases, they're all over the place. You can get them on eBay, pretty cheap. What you're gonna do, you're gonna seat this back in here, push down, make sure it's in there pretty good. We're gonna put our battery in there. There's plus and minus, so pretty hard to mess up. Bam, put that in there just like that. And then we'll put the case back on and pop the screw back in right over here.